The movie Bazaar talks about the precarious condition of women in Indian society. It talks about Najma, Smita Patel, who was in love with a guy, and she was in a living relationship with Akhtar, who had promised her marriage only under one condition: if she could get a girl for his friend who was almost in his 50s, and he wanted to practically purchase a girl, but under the garb of societal conditions. It was just like a property. He was interested in a girl, not exactly marriage, but in order to just cover it up, he demanded his friend Akhtar that you tell Najma to get a girl for me just like the way she is. And she came to Hyderabad. She was basically, Najma was basically from Hyderabad. She came to Hyderabad, and there Supriya Pathak, she was a young, almost 15-year-old girl who was in love with Farooq Sheikh, and the feeling was reciprocated. They wanted to get married. But she convinced her mom to get her married to this guy, in oblivious of the fact that she is in love with Farooq Sheikh. And Farooq Sheikh was her brother, not blood related, but Nazma considered Farooq as her brother, and she did a mistake. She was unaware of this, and they got her married to this old guy. And the day of the marriage, she committed suicide. And the movie also has Nasruddin Shah, who was a well-wisher for Najma, who wanted to tie the knot with her, but since her parents were not, Najma's parents were not very much interested, he had to be he just chose to be her friend. Even in Hyderabad, he used to visit her at times, but she said that she cannot marry him. And even where they were staying, Akhtar and Najma, he used to visit, and they were very good friends. And Shabnam, who was Supriya Pathak, she committed suicide on a wedding day. And one statement which Najma actually passed, I remember this movie, actually it relates to that. She said that a woman is the most cheapest commodity in our Indian society. She was apprehensive to carry on this kind of marriage, but since she was promised, Akhtar had promised her that he will marry her. But when the time actually came for him to marry her, she moved out. She said that I'm not going to tie the knot with you, and if your friend gives a handful of diamonds, you'll be even happy to sell me. So now I have found my way, I have found my identity, I don't need you anymore. And she walks away, and she meets Nasruddin Shah. The last scene is the best scene. Both of them are on the train, and she agrees that she is instrumental in carrying out a crime which she cannot forgive herself for. It's a must watch. Songs are lovely, and it has a deep meaning. Women should not be treated as a commodity like the way we purchase vegetables in the market. 5 stars.